5 of them. So what I'm going to do now is take you over to what I think or feel is the darkest part of the garage. As I said, most people do this at night when it's totally and utterly pitch black. So there's the iPhone. This is actually, take the lid off my pen, and I'll see, even though it's daytime, there we are guys, can you see that? There we go, and where my thumb is, that big mass there, oh, it was actually moving there. That big mass there means, indeed, there is a lovely, oh, can you see? There is a lovely chicky in there. And it looks as if it's coming on great guns. There you go, you see it better there guys. So I'm just going to mark this. As I said, I just don't see the point of coming out at night just to candle eggs for your own gratification, so to speak. I don't feel the need to come out at night and disturb her. So you're doing them pitch black. There you go, very clearly. I don't know if you can see the top. Let me see. There we go. And little chickies in there. Little chickies in there. So we don't know, as I said. I'm just going to, if I can get the bottom of that. But this is all new to me. There you are. A beautiful baby up the top. So, oh, and it's moving. Do you see it moving, guys? Oh, bless. See, I've watched them on videos, but it's absolutely amazing you've got it on your own video footage, so to speak. Well, there's a very active, healthy baby in there. Oh, hoopla. Oh, oh, it's Jerry jump. Oh, how sweet is that? Yeah, so you don't need to buy these fandangled machines so that you can have a look and candle your eggs. There we go, so we'll pop that in. They are actually really warm. I'll speed up a wee bit. What number is this? This is number 3, and this is a darker egg. And darker eggs are harder to see, but as you can see, using the iPhone, absolutely spot on. Absolutely spot on. The big baby up there. Quite a large baby, it looks like. And you going to dance for the camera? Yeah, that's moving as well. Oh, bless its wee cotton socks. Right, so put that in there. And we will pick up gently number 4. And pop it on. Irn-Bru's sister laid an egg in beside her. That's why we took her out straight after she laid. And it looks as if she's left. Look at the veins. You can see the veins here, guys. It looks as if our egg was actually fertilised. So was she planning on having little eggs? Look, that one's dancing about as well. I don't know if you can see it, but picking it up. You can see the veins. Oh, it's jumping about. Because every one of these eggs, she lost 2 and there was chicks inside. Oh, look at it bouncing about. Oh, bless, I'm all chuffed. Just need to get them to live now. And that wee one seems to be fine and dandy, and a chunky monkey as well. And there's plenty of movement in there. If the camera's picking it up, guys. I think it is. Right, so last but not least, and then we'll get these back in and we'll go and get Mum. Number 5. There we go. Come on, little one. Come on, little one. And number 5. See, this is the one I was a wee bit dubious about. But there is definitely, as you can see, an absolutely enormous just going to mark it. Absolutely enormous air sac on this one. So our sister did indeed lay a fertilised egg in beside Irn-Bru, and that's roughly, and I'll leave it a couple of days and I'll go round that again. Right, so I'll have a final look at this one. Now that chick is absolutely chock-a-block at the top. But anyway, there we go, guys. Oh, go and gently put these back inside the nest. Hoopla. So just sit these down here for a minute. I'll just pop these back inside, and what I usually do, she comes in and fixes it herself anyway. She's saving tomatoes up in there. Is I give it a wee covering until such times I go and get her back in. Just so they don't get too cold. So they're in there. I'll go and get Mum. And then that'll be us. There we go. If I can see your girls and boys. Look in and get your babies. And then we just pop her back in. There you go, sweetheart. There you go, they're in there. Go heat them up. There we go. There we go, go heat them up. There's a good girl. There's a good girl. There we go. There you go. Hey, there you go. So there you go, everybody. That's a wee look into our daily routine. I was going to give you a wee look at her running about outside, but I feel personally that she's been off them long enough. So there we go. And if she gets too warm, or the eggs get too warm, she'll just slightly come off them a wee bit. So there we go, guys. That's where we update on our little candling session, which is great because Roy hasn't seen them getting candled yet. So there we go, darling. I'll go and get her feed. And then that's her for the day. So till the next one, guys. From me and Irn-Bru, au revoir, toodle pip, mwah, and bye-byes, bye-byes.